Welcome to this video tutorial on how to upgrade your subscription in OnePatch. To upgrade your subscription in OnePatch, go to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and go to Settings, then Account Details. Once this page loads, you will see a button named Upgrade Your Plan. Just click this. This page will show you all the plans that you can upgrade to. You have the £200 package, the £300 package, and the £500 package. Select the package you would like to upgrade to, and click Continue. Then enter your card details, and click Pay. Once the payment has went through, your OnePatch account will be upgraded to your new package. And that's it. You have now upgraded your subscription. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.